to help the driver correct their own behaviors and habits, which we all have, as well as look out into the environment and protect the driver from what other people are doing. And that's kind of the scariest thing. The work zone of the vehicle is the roadways where everyone is,
distracted drivers
doing everything but driving right behind the wheel. So that's kind of my high level overview of how organizations can think about safety culture differently. But getting there is all about collaborating internally and breaking down silos between IT and engineering and HR and legal and operations and risk and safety and fleet. They have to get together and decide who they want to be and how they want to do it. And that collaborative group can really drive influence and change with the C-suite. And when they've done that, bringing that culture down to every facet of the organization will be a lot easier.
Yeah, definitely. And, one of the challenges I hear from our readers is that they get all this data from their telematics. And it's too, it's almost like drinking from a fire hose. It's too much. So it sounds like you guys